Yo, what is up, guys? I told you guys I was inspired lately. I've been getting that itch, to get something for the S2. So I got a little surprise for you guys. We ended up busting a mission a couple hours away, and let's check out what we got. All right, guys. Tell me what you think. Boom! Finally got the carbon hardtop trigger. And yeah, I mean, you guys will probably trip out on the price, how much I got it for. I'll let you guys know at the end of the video. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is Forbidden USA single-sided, single-sided carbon fiber hardtop, guys. So those of you that are thinking about getting a hardtop, let me break it down for you guys. So it's actually really simple to install this hardtop. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Really easy. I did it on the side of the freeway, or not on the side of the freeway. I pulled over, met on the side of the freeway, in the little exit. Me and another S2000 owner from SoCal. I drove 2 hours one way, he drove 2 hours the other way. And yeah, he helped me put it on. It's actually really easy to put on. Let me show you guys. So it's just your two latches, one on each side. And then you got like these little, let's see, what that, you got like these little things back here. They go to the holes. And yeah, you just screw them in. One on each side. Yeah, it's a total of the front latches. There's two in the front. You just use your soft top latches. And then that bracket I just showed you guys, there's one on each side. It's a little 10 millimeter bracket, a 10 and a 12 that you unscrew. Really simple. You just have to pop off the little cover so you can fit it in there. I don't know, it took us probably like 15 minutes to put everything on. And, that was like taking our time. But yeah, I also got another part, guys. It's like two pieces to a puzzle. I got the first piece of the puzzle. So, I was gonna wait to show you guys, but I'll show you guys right now. Oh, we got this box here. And let's see what we got inside. You guys take a guess what it is. It's the PCI seat rail. Here it is, guys. So yeah, so we got the seat rail. I don't know when we're gonna buy the seat, but we're gonna get one for sure. You guys are gonna trip out. The one I'm gonna get is gonna be badass. So there is a few more things I want to get for the car. I'm gonna get the extended full text lip on the bottom. I just think it would fit the car like perfectly. That, I'm gonna get the bucket seats. I'm not gonna tell you guys which ones. I am gonna get a roll cage back there. I'm gonna go EVS. And then after that, I gotta get the big brake kit. And whatever brake kit I get, I'm gonna color match it to my roll cage. And then after that, I think this car will be, it only took forever, but you gotta be patient with these kind of things. Just get a part here, get a part there, and then before you know it, you got all kinds of parts. So yeah, guys, tell me what you guys think. How do you like the new look? Do you think it was worth $850 and was it 3 hours of my time driving? A couple gas station fill-ups? I think so. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys too. This is glass back here. I mean, the Lexan would have been cool, but the glass is way better. I feel it's gonna look a little bit crisper for a lot longer. And yeah, I'm gonna be making another video for you guys. In a couple weeks, I'm gonna drive down. I'm gonna make the drive all the way to Laguna Seca in the E85 powered S2000. So, you know, I'm gonna have to bring some gas tanks and shit so we get there in one piece. But yeah, I'm gonna go to that mega meet pretty soon, especially because I got the hardtop. Like, this kind of like inspired me to go out more. And, you know, if any of you guys are out there, say what's up. You know, tell me how you guys like the car, how you like the hardtop, the new mods. You know, throw some suggestions my way. Tell me what you guys want to see next. And thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you guys next time.